Cheers. This is delicious. Happy Foodie Friday. Rise and shine. Today we are having some early morning fresh coffee, breakfast, bakery sweets, and lunch at Benjamin's Bakery and Café, located in Surfside Beach. And here to tell us more is Taylor from Benjamin's Bakery.
Benjamin's Bakery started with bagels back in 1994. The owner and founder, Lee, and his father, former Long Islanders, understood the growing popularity of the New York-style bagel and realized the Grand Strand was definitely under-bageled. And the idea of establishing a bagel shop became their passion. Named after Lee's oldest son, Benjamin's Bagel Bakery opened into immediate success in a deli where you could get breakfast, lunch, fresh-baked bagels, deli meats, and a good cup of coffee. As the business grew in those early years, Benjamin's expanded their product line to breads, rolls, buns, and specialty items.
Can you tell us about the beverages and entrees and bakery items in front of us?
Absolutely. So you're having our cold brew, which is brewed in-house. Our roaster, Katie, ensures the best coffee combination. Cold brewing process takes away the bitter flavor of the coffee by pulling out the oils during a 24-hour process. It has a smooth finish with all the coffee flavors.
I'm not usually a coffee fan, but this is like really creamy and just the right amount of like sweetness.
Yeah.
I really like it.
This is our latte. We make our espresso beans ourselves for our roasters for a variety of roasted coffee in small batches for maximum freshness and quality. They're available for sale. The beans are by the bag, or you can use one of our grinders in-house to get the perfect grind for your homemaker. The cafe offers a selection of light, medium, and dark roast, along with decaf and espresso. They're ground and brewed fresh daily for our customers to choose from those menu offerings. This latte has 3 shots of espresso, layered with frothy steamed whole milk, and our seasonal flavor, which is Irish cream.
Ooh, so we got cold and hot coffee options.
And we do have many milk offerings as well. We've got whole milk, oat, almond, and skim if you have a preference. You can also add homemade whipped cream.
Now, once you have a good beverage, what are some breakfast and lunch options?
Yeah.
This looks like a work of art.
Yeah, that's our ultimate avocado. We take our homemade avocado spread, 2 slices of our baked in-house avocado bread. We top it with tomato, everything seasoning topping, our balsamic drizzle, and it's light, refreshing, and one of our vegetarian options here. This is our classic meat, egg, and cheese. We did bacon with egg and American on an everything topped bagel. Our bagels are made fresh, in-house daily, and every sandwich is made to order.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
This is our chicken salad sandwich. It's served with our spicy hummus and bagel chips. Make the chicken salad with a simple recipe, and it's ready for the cafe sandwiches. We also sell it by the pound. Our sandwiches come on your choice of bread with lettuce, tomato, and bagel chips.
Yeah, such a good variety of menu items. Now let's go from savory to sweet.
To sweet, yeah, sounds good. These are our dossants. We have a larger option as well, but these are our smalls. We have plain, Bavarian filled, and cherry. Love the cross between a donut and a croissant. It's light, flaky, and sweet. We take a croissant dough and then it's fried and glazed just like a donut. This is our homemade apple fritter. They're handmade in-house nightly, and we use fresh dough, real apples, apple filling, and cinnamon. Over 100 wholesalers that we provide to restaurants, small bakeries, stuff like that, that we provide baked goods to every week, and we deliver to them.
Well, Taylor, thank you so much for having us on this beautiful morning. Make sure to come vacation with us and stop by for some fresh local coffee,
Absolutely.
Delicious bakery items, breakfast, lunch at Benjamin's Bakery and Café. Thank you for watching.